I'm running some errands and right now sitting in the parking lot by the laundromat, taking care of some house rugs, placemats and stuff like that. But I wanted to take the opportunity to talk about what are known as trigger phrases, trigger words. Words and phrases that when you utter to another human being, to another person, there's actually a higher chance that you're going to really tick them off and even escalate the situation. And this just happened to my wife and my mother-in-law just a few days ago, last Friday at the Menards here in Wyoming, Michigan. My 86-year-old mother-in-law, wearing a mask, walked up to a female store employee to ask for help, to look for an item. And she does have a soft voice, and she's speaking to this lady, and the lady just stares back at her. And there's a momentary pause. My mother-in-law speaks up and also includes, oh, by the way, I looked in, aisle 1 and 2. And, and then there's another pause. Now, my wife, believing that maybe the clerk did not hear my mother-in-law at all, now speaks up, reiterates the question and the request for help for this item, and the employee finally turns around and looks at my wife and says, "Can I talk now?" Folks, that's one of those phrases that there's no nice way of using that phrase. There's no nice way to use that phrase without coming across rude, sarcastic, condescending. It's like telling someone to shut up. There's no nice way to say that. You can't tell someone to shut up, and you can't ask this question, "Can I talk now?" In a situation like this. And my mother-in-law and my wife looked at each other, and as this woman decides to now answer the question, they do an about face and just walk away because they were so offended and just so put off by this person asking this question. And again, this person who's also wearing a mask may have begun to answer my mother-in-law, but because she had not even acknowledged hearing my mother-in-law in the first place, did not nod her head, did not raise her eyebrows, did not give any indication that she had even heard my mother-in-law in the first place, which prompted my wife to speak up. And so really, folks, among all the trigger phrases and trigger words out there, such as calm down, shut up, things like that, is this phrase. Don't ask the question, "Can I talk now?" It just comes across rude, sarcastic, condescending, even antagonistic, and you're more likely to escalate a situation by uttering those words. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next video.